Hello, it's me, Pratibha. Let's begin today's flower and nature doodle with a beautiful theme. Let go, have faith. If you'll see in this page, I have just drawn simple doodle flowers, colored it. It's very minimum and simple. With a border or a banner on the top, we'll be doing it. And let's begin our class today. So I have been working on the doodle sheet, to send you all for the flowers and the nature theme. So this was the trees that I made, and let me show you some flowers that I made to show you all, even with the colors. But then I realized, why? See, like very easy, many doodles, flowers. But then I realized why? Why to show you a sheet, give you a sheet when you can find many, like simply many in internet. I was like, let's go to nature. Let's go to nature together and learn how we can create sheets in nature, like real time. And I would request you, an artist is somebody who always carried around a notebook and a pen with him or her. So let's try to doodle this plant. Okay, let's sit together. Could you see this plant? And if we will doodle it, we'll doodle it this way. It's going the branches, and this branches, then again this branches, again this branches, and like this and this, and it has few leaves. See, you have to really study the pattern of the leaf. How is the pattern? Could you see? It's not like this. It's, if you would tear just एक leaf आप पत्ता तोड़ेंगे तो आप पत्ता का पैटर्न देख के you can make कि पत्ता कैसा बना हुआ है. So are you getting my point? We need to be very real. There are many sheets you can find. Even I can send you many. But that's not the point of our class, right? The point is how you can create your own. And suppose, could you see this plant in here that we have? And if I would ask you to doodle it, how would we doodle it? So we will make a pot, like, and it's, see, this will be the doodle, right? This will be the doodle of this plant. Now let's come to this leaf. Could you see this plant? And if I'll just tear up this apart, and if somebody would ask me to doodle this, how would I doodle this? I'll do this, right? And then I will make the branches. See, could you study the veins, the intricate veins? And then you can just doodle that. Spend some time. I mean, I'm really doing it fast. You can really study the anatomy and all it, and then you can just doodle the entire plant by yourself. So similarly with this flower, if somebody would ask me to doodle this flower, this petal or kali, sorry, how would I doodle it? I'll just put in here 2 straight lines, and then I would do this. Could you see? This is the doodle of this flower, sorry, this kali, what you say. So similarly we can doodle everything. See, this is like one of our favorite stuff. And if somebody would ask me to doodle this, how would I doodle this? I go this. So I would appreciate, spend some time in nature, go around, look around in the nature. If not now because of the lockdown, but when you travel to a forest or a roadside, spend some time, carry a notebook and create your own doodle there. Could you see? So this is how you simply can make doodle of the any plants and any stuff. And I don't know what you call this leaf, but we say this a Vidya leaf. And let me show you how we can doodle this. This is a very famous, I don't know, if you have played with this, but in the childhood, my mom used to say, कि इसको किताब में रखोगे ना तो बुद्धि बढ़ जाएगी. I don't know how true is that, but we used to do, like she used to say, put it inside your notebook and Ma Saraswati will bless you with more knowledge. And so we all used to be like crazy with that. So you see, how could you study the pattern, how it is? So you can just make it like very intricate leaves. So it's all about, and then there's one thing of copying the stuff, but when you'll make it by yourself, it will give you a very different pleasure. So this is just, a 4-5 plot that is from my kitchen, like our home garden that I'm drawing. And suppose this tulsi leaf, right? If I'll have to draw this tulsi leaf, how would I draw? Let's draw. Right, let's draw. So what we'll do, could you study? The nature is like, nature never fails to amaze me. It's so beautiful, to work in the nature, to be in the nature. See how pretty it is. That, like, it just, so look around. This is the motive of our course. Look around, find inspiration everywhere, draw from nature. And it's doodle, everything is doodle. Remember, nothing, you don't have to be perfect, and imperfection is totally accepted and welcome in doodle. So let's give some time, and whenever you are ready, let's take like maybe a whole week, and whenever you are ready, just doodle like all the patterns. Thank you.